Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's look is just going to be a smoky eye look, and I'm going to start off with using ColourPop concealer, which is in dark 46. And if you guys have been watching my videos, you know that that is like my #1 concealer to use ever. And with this concealer, I don't even have to use primer or foundation or setting powder or whatever you want to call it. I don't have to use anything, which is why it's like one of my favorites. And I'm going in with a brush, Morphe brushes, and it's actually, this brush in particular don't have a number, sorry. So next I'm going in with my JUVIA palette in Warrior 1. I think this is the first palette, and I'm going in with the brown first for my first choice of color. The brush that I'm currently using for the brown eyeshadow is from Morphe as well. It's I think it's set 68. I'm just blending that all in. For the second choice of color that I picked was a burgundy, which is also from Juvia's Place. It's the Warrior 2 palette, and it is pronounced JAMATA. And the brush that I'm currently using is a very affordable brush. I actually forgot where I got this brush because I had it for so long. Next, I'm going right back in with that color, brown, just to blend everything out, because I feel like I just raised the burgundy a little bit too high. And the base that I'm going to be using for my eyeshadow is actually a deep brow. I said a deep brow. Eyebrow cream, which is from Anastasia of Beverly Hills, and I'm going to use that for my base for the black eyeshadow. And the reason why I picked that is to keep the black in place, and it won't have to like spread all over the place. Next, I'm using, well, I'm actually going back in with the JUVIA'S Place. I'm using the Warrior 2 palette, and I'm going in with the black, which is pronounced SHAWATA. I'm not gonna lie, they have like the craziest names. But besides that, the pigments is it's pretty good. And again, I'm using my Morphe brush. It doesn't have a number, which really sucks, but besides that, I'm just placing the black eyeshadow on the eyelid, and I'm going back in with the color JAMATA, which is that burgundy color I had used, and I'm just cleaning it up in that area. And I'm going back in with that brown. Next, I am using the Warrior palette, and I'm going in with that tan color. And right now, I'm just cleaning everything up. So as you guys can see, I have some black eyeshadow that had fallen on my face, and I'm just using some Vaseline just to clear it up. Next, I'm going in with my lashes, which I got from Amazon. It doesn't have a name, but I will be happy to place that link below so you guys can check them out. And the glue that I actually use for the eyelashes is from Duo. next I'm going in with my foundation, which is by True Match in the color Cocoa. I'm actually looking to find some more foundations, but because my face is very sensitive, so I can't use every foundation, but I'm actually looking for some. So if you guys have any recommendations as to what foundation is like a good product, but yeah, just let me know. I'm going back in with my Morphe brush. This is also from the set 638, and I'm just brushing everything out. FYI, if you guys don't know, I do not use beauty blenders anymore. I just use brushes, and yes, they are dry, they're not wet. Next, I'm going in with my concealer from ColourPop, which is in Dark 46. And this is actually one of my favorite concealers, probably because I tend to not have to use primer, which I should use primer, but most of the time I really don't have to use it. So that's probably like why it's the main reason why it's my favorite. But yeah, if you guys never heard of ColourPop, or if you guys haven't tried their concealers, then I would highly recommend it, because they are literally like the bomb. So right now I'm going right back in with my foundation brush that I had used earlier, and I'm just blending everything right in. Well, I'm blending all of my concealer into my foundation. Okay, so right now I'm going back in with my Ruby Kiss contour kit. It's pronounced 3D contour kit actually, and I'm going in with the color dark and brown, and I'm just going to use that to contour. Right now I'm just blending everything as far as like the contour kit that I just currently use, and I'm just bringing it right up into my cheekbones to give it more definition. Okay, so I'm going in with my Benet powder, and it's in the color Topaz. Okay, so for my lip combination, I'm going in with Kylie Jenner Valentine's collection and MAC Chestnut lip liner and MAC lipstick, which is in Blanket. For the Kylie Jenner collection lip gloss, it is pronounced Sweet. Okay guys, so I'm not gonna lie to you guys, the white eyeliner that I'm currently using is kind of scratched off because I had it for a very long time, so I don't even know where it's from. But you can use any white eyeliner, it doesn't really matter. But I just used a white eyeliner for this look. Again, you can use any white liner, it really does not matter. So right now I'm just currently going in with some black eyeshadow and smudging it right underneath the white eyeliner. Again, I'm not trying to get it like on top of the white eyeliner, but just like underneath it. And I don't want to go like a little dramatic, so that's why I'm putting very little on it. So I'm going in with my Morphe brush again, and I'm just going to blend everything out. Next, I'm going in with my Warrior 2 palette, and I'm using the color JAMATA, which is the same color that I actually use for my eyeshadow. And I tend to always do this because I just really love that dark pink / burgundy look. As far as like my complexion, I just love this color. And for the shimmer that I'm using right now, it's actually very affordable, and I actually got that from the beauty supply store, and it is actually from EYELINER-NYX, I think. It doesn't have a name on it, but last time I checked, I think it was from EYELINER-NYX, but do not quote me. And this is what it looks like, and that's the color that I use. And that is my final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed. If you have any opinions or any questions or any recommendations as far as product reviews or etc., it does not matter, then feel free to comment below. Remember, all positive vibes, please. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you guys soon. I love you guys so much, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and to most importantly, hit that bell below. Bye guys.